Optimo is the process for setting your CNC tools whilst minimising downtime, improving tool life and finish quality, allowing you to increase your efficiencies and the speed of which you can produce. The process is as simple as loading a single tool into the system and pressing the start measure. This is repeated across the set of 7 tools. The software allows us to see tooling in a 3-dimensional format. We can also view the ovalization of the tool and ensure it is central to the tool comb. Using the optimized removal feature, we can ensure that each tool is taken off the correct amount of stock. Here we input the measurements provided into the CNC machine. We are now ready to run the tools. Using this system, we expect to get perfect results every time. Options available include individual setups, subscription services, profile rental, or alternatively, contact us about installing a system for yourself.